Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 of class 4, that is fractions. In this chapter, we learn represent part of a whole as a fraction, identify the types of fractions, compare the given like and unlike fractions, add like fractions and unlike fractions, subtract like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions: when a whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is called a half. It is written as 1 by 2 and read as 1 by 2. The shaded parts represent 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. When a whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. It is written as 1 by 4 and read as 1 by 4. The shaded parts represent 1 by 4. In the below figure, the whole is divided into 8 equal parts and out of these 3 parts are shaded. Shaded parts is equal to 3, total parts is equal to 8. It is written as 3 by 8 and read as 3/8. The number of equal parts into which the whole is divided is the denominator of the fraction. The number of parts considered is the numerator of the fraction. 3 by 8, 3 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Look at the given figures and write down what part is shaded. In the first picture, shaded part is 1. In the second picture, shaded part is 3. Kinds of fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction is called a proper fraction if the numerator is less than the denominator. Examples: 6 by 11 and 3 by 10. Improper fraction. A fraction is called an improper fraction if the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Examples: 15 by 4 and 27 by 8. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction. Example: 3 5 by 8 and 9 1 by 7. Conversion of fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. A mixed fraction can be converted into an improper fraction. Examples: example 1 2 3 by 4 which equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4 which equals to 11 by 4. Let us understand this with the help of pictures. In first picture 4 parts are shaded, in second picture 4 parts are shaded, in third picture 3 parts are shaded. Is the given mixed fraction. The given fraction can be written as 4 by 4 plus 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4 which equals to 11 by 4. Example 2 5 3 by 7 which equals to 5 into 7 plus 3 by 7 which equals to 38 by 7. Conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction. An improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction. Example 1 23 by 5. Here 5 is divisible 23 4 times, that is 5 4s are 20. 23 minus 20 which equals to 3. Now its mixed fraction is 4 3 by 5. Like fractions. Fractions that have same denominator are called like fractions. Example 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. The shaded parts are 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Comparison of like fractions. When the denominator is the same, the fraction having the higher numerator is the greater fraction. Example: compare 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is less than 2 by 5 and is less than 4 by 5. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 2 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 9. Comparison of unlike fractions. To compare the unlike fractions, we convert them into like fractions. Example: compare 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Steps are: step 1, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Common multiples of 3 and 2 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. Least common multiple is 6. Method 2. Convert the given fractions to like fractions, that is 1 by 3 is equals to 1 into 2 by 3 into 2 which equals to 2 by 6 and 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into 3 by 2 by 3 which equals to 3 by 6. When the denominator is the same, the fraction having the higher numerator is the greater fraction, that is 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6. After simplification, we can write it as follows: 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6, which equals to 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Addition of fractions, addition of like fractions. In the first picture, 2 parts are shaded out of 8. In the second picture, 3 parts are shaded out of 8. In the resultant picture, 5 parts are shaded out of 8. That is 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8, which equals to 5 by 8. To add the fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions, we add the numerators while the denominators remain the same. Examples: example 1, 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7, which equals to 2 plus 3 by 7, which equals to 5 by 7. Example 2, 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, which equals to 1 plus 2 plus 4 by 9, which equals to 7 by 9. Addition of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. To add to such fractions, we convert them into like fractions first and then add. Examples: example 1, 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12. Steps are: step 1, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and so on. Least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. Step 2, convert the given fractions to like fractions, that is 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12, which equals to 5 into 3 by 8 into 3 plus 7 into 2 by 12 into 2. Step 3, add the like fractions, that is 15 by 24 plus 14 by 24, which equals to 15 plus 14 by 24, which equals to 29 by 24. Step 4, convert the improper fractions into mixed fraction, that is 29 by 24, which equals to 1 5 by 24. Example 2, 3 1 by 3 plus 5 1 by 2. Steps are: step 1, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 1 by 3 plus 5 1 by 2, which equals to 10 by 3 plus 11 by 2. Step 2, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Step 3, convert the given fractions to like fractions, that is 10 by 3 plus 11 by 2, which equals to 10 into 2 by 3 into 2 plus 11 into 3 by 2 into 3. Step 4, add the like fractions, that is 20 by 6 plus 33 by 6, which equals to 20 plus 33 by 6, which equals to 53 by 6. Step 5, convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, that is 53 by 6, which equals to 8 5 by 6. Subtraction of fractions, subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two like fractions, we subtract the numerators. The denominators remain the same. Example: 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8, that is 5 by 8 minus 2 by 8, which equals to 5 minus 2 by 8, which equals to 3 by 8. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. To subtract two such fractions, we convert them into like fractions and then subtract. Example: 8 by 9 minus 5 by 12. Steps are: step 1, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Least common multiple of denominators 9 and 12 is 36. Step 2, convert the given fractions to like fractions, that is 8 by 9 minus 5 by 12, which equals to 8 into 4 by 9 into 4 minus 5 into 3 by 12 into 3. Step 3, subtract the like fractions, that is 32 by 36 minus 15 by 36, which equals to 32 minus 15 by 36, which equals to 17 by 36. In the fraction 3 by 5, 5 is referred to which of the following? Option A numerator, option B denominator. Here 5 is denominator. 5 by 8 is which type of fraction? Option A proper fraction, option B improper fraction. Here the answer is proper fraction. 3 by 3 is equals to 1. Option A true, option B false. Here the answer is true. Convert the given fraction into mixed fraction. 56 by 3. Here 3 18s are 54. 56 minus 54 will get 2 as remainder. So its mixed fraction is 18 2 by 3. Which fraction is the greater fraction? Option A 2 by 5, option B 4 by 5. Here the greater fraction is 4 by 5. Which fraction is the greater fraction? Option A 1 by 3, option B 2 by 3. Here the greater fraction is 2 by 3. New words found in this chapter is proper fraction. A fraction is said to be proper fraction when the numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction. A fraction is said to be improper fraction when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. New words found in this chapter is like fractions, fractions that have the same denominator, unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominators. Write the fraction for the following. Option A, numerator 37, denominator 52. Its answer is 37 by 52. Bit B, numerator is 13, denominator is 56. Its answer is 13 by 56. Bit C, numerator is 31, denominator is 47. Its answer is 31 by 47. Bit D, 2/6, its answer is 2 by 6. Bit E, 5/8, its answer is 5 by 8. Radha ate 3 by 7 of a chocolate and Ritu ate 2 by 7. How much did they eat together? Part of chocolate ate by Radha is 3 by 7. Part of chocolate ate by Ritu is 2 by 7. Therefore, chocolate ate together is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7, which equals to 3 plus 2 by 7, which equals to 5 by 7. Compare the fraction by using less than, greater than or equal to. Bit A, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. Here 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7. Bit B, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. Bit C, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. Reena bought half kg of rice and 3 by 4 kg of wheat flour. Find the total weight of provisions she bought. Answer is, part of rice bought by Reena is 1 by 2 kg. Part of wheat bought by Reena is 3 by 4 kg. Total weight of provisions she bought is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, which equals to 4 into 1 plus 3 into 2 by 2 into 4, which equals to 4 plus 6 by 8, which equals to 10 by 8. Therefore, total weight of provisions she bought is 10 by 8.